Why didn't you tell her though, Jay?
Jay, he's all tired.
Because.
Okay.
What the fuck is wrong with it?
I just hope his boss doesn't see this video. Wait, oh, look at, what is this right here I almost tripped on? It's a little Oompa.
What about this?
Whose super are these? What the fuck? Little flashes. Whoa, look how bright that is. That's okay. No, not working. There you go.
I'm just gonna say, well, I don't have rice in my hand, but L, rice, let's drop. I'm gonna say. But,
Ew, fuck my life.
hey, we just know the clothes, so I gave you the shot. We don't have no more alcohol, but rice shot. Ready? Here we go. Patron.
I think this is probably the most dramatic I've ever seen one of our videos. A lot of shit happened tonight. A lot of shit I'm sure most of us wish we could take back. I know I wish I could take
Yeah,
back.
what did I do too? I was taking a shot of rice.
Follow me as we talked about Dre and see how our night
That
was.
was tough.
Come with me. So Andrea, how was your night?
Andrea?
Oh, let's don't move the sock out of her face.
Andrea, way to go. How was your night?
Oh my god, is that blood on her pillow?
Oh, it is blood on the pillow.
She's bleeding on her nose.
What the fuck?
It's okay.
Hey, wait, hold on.
Look at me.
She got knocked the fuck out.
It's okay. I mean, she's fine. I'm sure. It walked that way.
I'm sorry, guys. She's bleeding. She's bleeding.
No, it's totally blood from her nose. Feel her nose.
Hey, I just want to say, guys, cat daddy, nigga, I'm faded. Okay, get it, Dominic.
Oh.
All right, we're all drunk. You know what, Jay? Wait, ain't it Jay? Hey, wait, what he order? What'd you order, Jay?
Fish fillet.
The whole buffet. Fuck.
She ordered the whole buffet. He doesn't know. He's new, but he will learn. Hold it straight.
Got it.
He'll know next time to say the whole buffet. So, okay, let's see.